Step into the vibrant world of Ankara fashion with this stunning showcase of mother and child deal, elegantly dressed in matching Ankara outfits. This video celebrates the beauty, culture, and unity that Ankara fabric brings to families and fashion lovers. Ankara, also known as African wasp print, is a bold and colorful fabric deeply rooted in African culture, known for its dynamic patterns and rich symbolism. Ankara is a versatile textile used in traditional and modern clothing. It's 100% cotton and often features intricate prints that tell stories, celebrate heritage, and express personality. Ankara is for everyone, men, women, and children across the globe. Celebrate this fabric for its style and significance. It's perfect for weddings, birthdays, cultural celebrations, everyday wear, and even runway shows. Whether you are in Africa, the diaspora, or simply a lover of vibrant fashion, Ankara connects people to tradition and modern elegance.